Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious burger meat. First, let's talk about selecting the right beef. For the juiciest and most flavorful burgers, aim for ground beef with an 80-20 lean-to-fat ratio. This balance ensures your burgers remain moist and tender as they cook. Opting for freshly ground chuck or sirloin can significantly enhance the taste and texture. Steer clear of prepackaged patties, as they often contain unnecessary fillers and a less ideal fat content. Now that you have your meat, it's time to season it. The key here is gentle mixing to avoid overworking the meat, which can lead to a tough burger. For every pound of ground beef, a good starting point is about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Feel free to experiment with additional flavors like a dash of Worcestershire sauce or a pinch of garlic powder to add a wonderful depth to your burger meat. Next, let's form those perfect patties. Divide your seasoned meat into portions, typically ranging from 1/3 to 1/2 pound each. Gently shape them into patties about 3/4 of an inch thick, making them slightly wider than your burger buns to account for shrinkage during cooking. A crucial tip is to press a small indentation in the center of each patty with your thumb. This simple trick helps prevent the burgers from bulging in the middle as they cook, ensuring an even patty. Finally, it's time to cook your delicious burgers. Preheat your grill or pan to a medium-high heat, aiming for around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook your patties for approximately 3 to 5 minutes per side for a juicy medium rare to medium doneness. Remember, cooking times can vary based on thickness and desired doneness. Once cooked, allow your burgers to rest for a few minutes before serving. This helps the juices redistribute, ensuring a wonderfully moist and flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.